Welcome back to Auto Trend. Today we take you into a world that very few have ever seen. A world where precision meets passion and silence hides power. This is the place where the black J-50 stealth fighter jet is born. Inside a massive steel and glass facility, the air carries a low hum of activity. It's bright daylight outside, yet the sunlight never directly touches the floor. Instead, soft filtered light fills the space, creating a calm but focused atmosphere. Everything inside moves with rhythm. Every sound, every step, every movement has purpose. Teams of engineers and technicians in dark blue uniforms are positioned around the jet, working with quiet confidence. Their faces reflect the concentration of people who know they are shaping something extraordinary. The black J-50 stands at the center of this enormous hall, dominating the space with its presence. Its matte black body absorbs the light, giving off a deep, mysterious sheen. The lines of the aircraft are sharp and deliberate, every edge, every curve, designed for one purpose: to control the air and defeat the radar. Around it, equipment and platforms surround the frame, holding specialized tools, testing modules, and neatly arranged parts ready to be assembled with microscopic accuracy. The environment feels almost surgical, clean, organized, and filled with an energy that hums beneath the surface. Technicians move with absolute precision. One team checks the alignment of the landing systems. Another ensures the internal panels fit flawlessly into the stealth frame. Each person works with unwavering attention to detail, guided by years of training and discipline. They communicate softly, a nod here, a brief instruction there, and continue their work with seamless coordination. The jet seems to come alive through their hands, piece by piece, like a dark silhouette emerging from silence. As the hours pass, the hangar remains alive with motion. There's no rush, no chaos, only disciplined focus. The technicians move with patience and mastery, tightening the final panels, checking the stealth coating, and reviewing every surface with unwavering precision. Their work is silent yet powerful. When the process is complete, the black J-50 stands ready, flawless, intimidating, and beautiful in its simplicity. The smooth, matte black surface reflects the light softly, as if it's absorbing the very energy around it. It doesn't roar yet, but even in silence, it commands respect. It represents the peak of design and discipline, a creation that unites human skill and technological supremacy into one form. This is how legends are made, not in chaos, but in calm precision. Not with noise, but with mastery. The black J-50 stealth fighter jet, built not just to fly, but to dominate the skies unseen. Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning.